Alright, what's today? Today's Monday. That's right, because I'm not at work. What do we got going on? There's a big hole in some fucking dirt. God, it's so much nicer not being at work and being able to ride. Why the fuck does my county have to build so many fucking roundabouts? I mean, they're fun, but it's like they go nuts with them. I don't understand why. I mean, I don't know. I guess they're better than four-way stops. I mean, that's what they're thinking, but they're fucking expensive, and the city spends millions of goddamn dollars on them. It's stupid. I don't get it. Oh, I've got to Tercel with a Jesus fish. Oh, there's some lady in a robe. That's nice. Shit, I don't even think it's 50 degrees out. It's fucking cold as shit. Let's see what's down this road. Oh, are you shitting me? I like to ride off-road sometimes. Shave your fucking llama. Well, that one's shaved out there. Maybe we'll go back to town. It's fucking cold as shit out here in the sticks. Cows. Well, that would hurt me, I think. What the fuck's there a boat doing out in a fucking field? It's a field. There's no fucking water anywhere. Gangsta pants. Mary Kay. What a bunch of shit that is. That's like the most fucking hustling anybody can ever do. Santa? What is Santa doing begging for money? You know what's great about a motorcycle is you just pull up to any fucking pump you want and it doesn't matter. None of this right left gas bullshit. Come on, douche. You're giving me douche bumps. Traffic control change ahead. Oh no. Whatever will we do? Camo, camo, camo. Everybody's in camo around here. I used to think that was cool, but now it just kind of drives me crazy. I like to play the let's not touch the ground game. Oh, you bitch. Oh, it's the fucking pedestrians. Every time. Every time. The dog house. Great burgers and extraordinary dogs. Oh, they're talking about hot dogs. That kind of looks like my old Jeep, but lifted a little more. What are you looking at there, buddy? Oh, you're gonna try to cut me off, you dickhole? Crackhead. Possible crackhead. Convertible. Make sure to use your turn signals. Don't want to get in trouble. I don't know, let's see what's up here. Is this an address? What is this? Ah, dead end. Kind of. No idea what's up here. Is that a fucking half gallon of chocolate milk? I love the shit in a fucking door. The shit you find out in the woods is so fucking weird. Hey, look, it's an ass. I mean, a donkey. I think. I don't really know my farm animals too well. Is that a Kia? We have these shitty commercials here where I live. It's like, I sold my BMW and got a Kia and I'm much happier. Yeah, and I sold my Audi and bought a Kia Forte. I couldn't be happier. I have performance and comfort. I'm like, why the fuck would you give up your BMW or your Audi? Like, seriously, like, you just traded one of the better cars in the world for some fucking piece of shit. Where's Kia from anyway? Korea? Is that it? Holy shit, sneezing in your helmet sucks. Well, since I have no fucking clue where I am, guess we could kind of head back in the general direction of town. Let's run this stop sign. I know town's that direction. That's really all I know, though. Never been out here. More cows. It's kind of been the theme of this fucking video, hasn't it? Horses and goddamn cows. Apparently we have a stop sign I should probably pay attention to. Oh, Odom. We're gonna go this direction. There's a good woman working in the yard. And she needs to go straight to the... Hey, it's sheep! Ah! They ran like motherfuckers. Alright, thanks for waving back, asshole. I mean, seriously, if you don't wave and you're on another bike, you're a dick. Like, why wouldn't you fucking wave? Like, that's just how it is. Like, that's what you fucking do. I don't understand what the big deal is. Like, just fucking wave. It's like, it takes no effort whatsoever, and it's kind of a camaraderie thing, right? Like, I wave at everybody's. Like, I don't give a shit if you're on a fucking Harley, a fucking super motard, like, God, even a fucking Goldwing, I'll wave at you. I don't know, that shit just makes me mad, like, you fucking elitist shit. Is it just because I'm on a fucking dual sport, you don't like me, or what? I don't get it. Crappy's Pizzeria! Oh no! School Bus City. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you fucking doing here, buddy? You go fucking slow. Just make like an immediate, like, go across 3 lanes of fucking traffic to get into your turn. If you're gonna cause a fucking accident to make your turn, just fucking go up a block and turn the fuck around. Seriously, like, don't be a douche. And this guy, if you're gonna pull out into traffic, get up to speed. Oh, of course, he's old, also. Big surprise there. Ah, you. Good move, sir. Good choice. Discount groceries. No thanks. Sure, you're a nice guy, but I don't want your discount groceries. You dig that ditch, motherfucker. The sad thing is, that guy probably makes a lot more money than I do. Street closed, motherfucker. Oh, that's cool. Nice job. Oh, get to the chopper. The Oldsmobile Alero. I think Top Gear, was that one of the Top Gear's like worst cars ever? I think it was. Oh, cool, be cool. It's the cop shop, y'all. Putting in new lights. I suggest you go. I drive a cream-colored Volkswagen Bug. Alright, well, I'm heading home. I'm cold. So, we're gonna call it. But, yeah, give me a subscribe. I hope to release videos a couple times a week. You're gonna go there, sweetheart? Thank you. Anyway, I hope to release a video or 2 a week. Just kind of my thoughts, what I'm doing. Maybe we'll go somewhere, see something cool. Check out the blog, my website. That's just 2wheels www.rtw.com. From there you can get to my Facebook, my Instagram, and of course the YouTube page. But if you're watching this, you're more than likely on the YouTube page, or at least can get to it. And that's it, folks. I think I'll go home and denumb my face. Oh, there's people on the fucking roof. So, take it easy, peeps. Peeps? Is that cool? Is that what the kids say these days? Holy shit, this guy's got crazy wood. Hope it doesn't come out on me. I don't want your wood, sir. Anyway, that's kind of what we're about here at Two Wheels RT Dub. Who the fuck is honking? Oh shit! I got people behind me. She must have met up with somebody. I thought that fucking truck looked familiar.